So I'm going to talk a little bit about the placebo effect and how it can make you a better teacher. First, let me tell you a story about when I started teaching English. This was many years ago when I was teaching in a prep school in Ankara, in Turkey. And I had a group of students who were just general English pre-intermediate. And I didn't really know what I was doing. But, I tried my best because I liked the students. And a few months later, I got a message from one of my prior students from that previous summer about how he had gotten to the top place in his English school. He got first place in the English exam. And I was just shocked. I was totally surprised. How could he have learned anything? I was sitting in the staff room with one of my colleagues reading this message. And I said that exactly to my colleague. I said, how could he have learned anything? I don't know anything about teaching. But you know what my colleague said to me? He said, it's not about what you know. It's about the fact that he actually liked you. You built a relationship with him. You showed up there and you cared enough about what you were teaching that he chose to learn from you. He believed in you. So then after that, actually, that same colleague couldn't come to a class and I had to cover for him on very short notice. It was a TOEFL class and I had never taught TOEFL before. I had never taken TOEFL before. I had no idea what I was doing. I spent the whole day before preparing, trying to learn the exam, studying it. And then when I went into the class, I believed that I knew it. I trusted myself and I did my absolute best to make sure that what I was teaching was what they needed to learn. And it worked. It was very effective. Actually, it helped. So what I'm saying is, it's not so much about what you know in terms of methodology. Methodology is important. It helps as a teacher. But it's more important that you believe in your ability to give knowledge to the students, that you have the confidence. So take a placebo pill, give yourself that confidence, and take a moment to make sure that you're actually making the connections with the students first, before you're thinking about, is it the CELTA technique? Am I doing everything that they taught me in the course? Am I following the right procedures? Because it's not about those procedures. It's not about that methodology. It's about the students who are right in front of you. And that's what creates a confident teacher, is knowing what those students need and knowing how to give it to them when they need it.